useful advice to help conquer a dog's fear of loud noises. Hello, and welcome everyone. This is RoboJude with another Q&A from our very own Dog Help Forum. I'm sure today's Q&A topic will interest a lot of dog owners who are having a hard time with puppies who have a fear of thunder. Right, Arthur?
Hello everyone. Yes, I believe they will be RoboJude.
Well, what are you waiting for, Arthur? Let's get started.
Okay everyone. Here's the question for today. Tonight, we had some pretty bad storms, with lots of thunder. My little Toto is still scared, and she won't leave me. I tried to get her in her crate, but she is scared to go there. We have two other dogs, Abby the Lab, and Tressie, another Karen, but they never had this problem. How can I help Toto? Here's one of the great responses for this question. I suggest that you and your dog go into a closed room when a thunderstorm occurs. In that room, you can try playing some soft music. Make sure that your music can be as loud as a thunderstorm, but soft and pleasant at the same time, and even play with your dog. Help your dog to keep his focus to you and not to the loud noise. If this doesn't work, I suggest that you contact your vet or any behaviorist about your dog's condition. That was sure some great advice, don't you think, RoboJude?
Yes, it sure is, Arthur. Thanks! I would also like to add that your dog needs to know that she can live through thunder without anything happening to her. Some dog trainers will also help rehab the fear your dog has. There are still a whole lot of other answers and a ton of other topics for you to discover if you join or visit our Dog Help Forum. You can visit our Dog Help Forum at www.doghelp.info. The forum is free. Thanks for listening, and see you there.